Hey everyone, welcome to this video. We are going to be talking a lot about DSLR Booth, why we're going to use it, and some of the pros, cons of using the program. All right, so first off, we do have a referral link in the description, so please feel free to click on that link. That will give us credit for doing videos like this and showing you guys all these cool features that this photo booth software can do. So, DSLR booth can be used for Windows or Mac, which is nice. Just be sure before you download, you come here to the DSLR booth and then you can select whether you want DSLR Windows for Mac, which is called Luma Booth. And then if you want Windows version, it will be DSLR booth with Windows. So a couple things that we want to go over is like what can you actually do with this, right? So let's go over here to softwares. Let's go to Windows. The one that I'm going to be talking about specifically is going to be the DSLR booth, which is for Windows. Okay, so one thing first, before we get into that, I just want to show you this is what the actual program will look like when you launch your event. So this is an event ready to go. The customer has a customized screen and you can make this on Canva, Photoshop, wherever you want to do. And then you have the print option. The customer has GIFs option, the boomerang and video. So right off the bat, your photo booth can give them all four features from the start. Now let's say if they hit start, and they start taking pictures, they'll be able to take pictures directly from here. Let me just adjust my camera really quick. My webcam doesn't work because I'm on my computer, but it's okay. I just want to get you guys the idea of what this actually looks like because I can easily just explain this to you, but you're not going to really get it unless you actually like physically see what the photo booth mode will look like. So this is the photo booth mode. The customer clicks the picture. It'll start taking the picture. There's the countdown. It'll flash the white screen. It'll go to photo number 2, followed by photo 3. And once the series is up, then it will give you a description of what it'll look like. So this is what it'll look like. The customer has the option to email, text, QR code it, WhatsApp it, or print it. So once they click on the options, they can easily just click on there, type in their email address. They can select SMS, which is the text messaging, type in their number, hit send. They can hit QR, scan that, and they'll get the direct link to it. They can hit WhatsApp and they can also hit print, how many copies, and you can actually give them the limitation of how many copies they can actually print, which is very, very nice. Then they can click on each individual photo. They can also click on the GIF, which is nice. So they are also getting those features that the program will automatically generate as long as you enable those features. So another cool thing too is this retake button on the top. A lot of times people are like, oh, I don't like it. I want to retake it. Perfect. Let's hit retake and we'll start all over. So those are some cool features that a lot of other programs don't even offer you, or you have to go through like a whole series of like other things. So that's just an idea of the GIFs, boomerangs. You guys already know what boomerangs look like. It's the same thing that you guys would do on Instagram. And then videos is nice because you can do like, oh, thanks for coming to my wedding, blah blah blah. You know, leave a message to the bride and groom, or leave them a message for the newlyweds or the mom to be for baby showers and all those things. So that's just an idea of what there is, the different options. And then these are all the different features that you'll learn about as you go through our course on YouTube. So look up that DSLR booth course. That way you guys get some more information. So I'm going to go back over here and I just want to show you, let's see here. Where is it? Okay. So yes, you can use it for 360. You can use it as a glam booth. Glam booth is like a huge deal. It does have a filter to do like it'll remove blemishes. which is nice. So a lot of people are like, oh, especially women, they're like, oh my God, this photo booth is like the best because it like literally washes out everything and it makes your skin look flawless. You could also do green screen, chroma key. So that means like, let's say you're standing in front of the booth in front of a green screen physically, but you can incorporate like a full moon in the background or Coco Melon background or Jurassic Park background. So you can actually give your customers like an interactive way to you know, to interact with the photo booth. So that's another an idea for you. You can use this software with mirror booths too, which is huge. A lot of other programs, it's kind of like, oh, it's only specific to one type of booth. So this you can use for DSLR as well as mirror booths, which is great. You can also use video guest books, which a lot of people love. And then this is number one for me. This is why I think I've switched over from the other programs. Um, is the cashless payment option. There's sometimes where I do drop-offs where I set it up, drop it off, and then the client doesn't want to pay or something, or I want to do it for free more just for like marketing purposes, and I just want to have customers come up and pay from the booth. So that's a huge thing. You will have to have a Stripe account. So just be sure to remember that. Also with the subscription, it is $199. It is giving you access to two different photo booths, which is nice. So once you invest into the $199 for the entire year, all you have to do is sign into both photo booths and you will have this program. As we saw on our demo of the photo booth, you do have the option to customize screens. In our tutorials, we'll cover all of that. And then also too, you can create different photo booth photo strips, which is like the 2x6 photo strip samples, the 4x6 photo strip samples, the GIF templates, the boomerang templates, the 360 templates, all of those you're going to learn how to make, including overlays, how to edit soundtracks. Again, those are all in our video course. So be sure to sign up for that or sign up for our membership and you'll be able to learn a little bit more about that. But yeah, these are the print layouts. These are like the most popular 2x6 and 4x6s. And you can make any arrangement. Don't be fooled. A lot of people are like, oh, I'm going to just stick to this. You can do any type of arrangement. It's all your creativity. And then you do have, options to edit everything. You can edit your cameras. You have the cloud sync, which is huge. So while you're running your event, you can also have all of your pictures and videos and everything loading up online so that the customers will get their link to their gallery after every event. And I'll show you a little bit about that right now. So this is the back end of my account. So let's say, for instance, Eliza's 40th birthday. So my customer will get this link. They will have access to all of their pictures, videos, and everything here. They will also, this is what I do is I come here, click on link, and I send this to my customer, say, hey, Mr. Customer, thank you so much for booking 360 Booth Expert. Here's a link of all your photos. Please be sure to share with your friends and family. And you can control right here at what they see. The link sharing, you can have the guest be able to see every single picture, or if not, you can disable that. So some guests, since this was an intimate party, we will enable the guest access so everybody can see everyone's pictures. If you don't want to see everybody's pictures, just uncheck that and not everybody will be able to see that, which is nice. You could also embed this onto your websites. On shares, I'm not going to click on it because it's going to show you all the phone numbers, emails. So just for privacy, I'm not going to click on that, but it'll show you exactly all the emails and text messages and everything that's gone out through that event, which is nice. Analytics will give you some more data too of how long the event was running, how many prints were going, how many emails and text messages, all these different things. And then you have the slideshow feature. So let's say, for instance, Eliza books us for her next birthday party and she wants her slideshow to be going. Well, guess what? You guys can just click on slideshow, send her the link, and click slideshow, and boom, she can have her last event running, which is nice. So this is just like the back end of what you're going to be dealing with, which is for me, I love it because I don't have to worry about having to open up my photo booth and upload pictures all over again, which is what I used to do with my old software. So make sure you're connected to internet while you're running this program. Now, there's a lot of customers that ask me, Agatha, what if I don't have internet? That's fine. Just run your photo booth. As soon as you get back to your office or your home, you can easily connect this and it'll easily upload and send out messages and emails and text messages, all of those instantly, which is nice. So that's a plus. A lot of people ask me, oh, hey, can you do video overlays? Absolutely. You could do that for 360s. You can do those for mainly for 360s, and videos are the main ones. You could also add stickers. So like if you take a picture, you can do it. They're also called like digital props. Some people refer them to stickers or digital props. So after you take a picture, you can put like a little martini in my hand or a little mustache on my face. Um, you also have the survey disclaimer. So those of you that are doing like trade shows, you can ask your customers a certain question. You could even do like after, let's say like the 30th person that types this in, you can do like a sweepstakes type of thing, and whoever gets it wins a prize. So I think we already went over this green screen. We already went over that. We already went API triggers for those of you that are a little bit more advanced with like developers and APIs and all that. Booth guest control. So the customers, a lot of people ask me, hey, can I just set this up and leave it there? Absolutely, 100%. I do that every single weekend. I love drop-offs. I'd rather be doing drop-offs three a day, and make more money that way versus me standing there and not, making that many events in one day. So just know that this booth is capable. Just make sure you have all your settings in place before the event, and that's something that you'll learn again in our course. All right. And then our booth co-pilot uses our mobile app to control and keep tabs on your photo booth. So like going back to drop-offs, if I'm running my photo booth, it's connected to internet. I have my booth co-pilot on my phone and I'm like, okay, the photo booth is running. I took 24 pictures, 20 emails have sent out, four text messages have been sent out. So it just gives you like some tabs on on your photo booth, which is nice. So those are just some things that I just wanted to touch base on. DSLR is an amazing program. I stand by it. I've used it for several events. And then they do have other features that you can add on for like if you're doing Luma Share, like if you want to do like an extra station on the side and have customers go to like an iPad booth and email text directly from there versus doing it from your actual photo booth, just know that you are able to just add that feature to your unit. They do charge a little bit more, but it's totally worth it. And just keep in mind whatever cost that you're inquiring acquiring, you're going to want to charge your customer for that as well. So this is also too for the cloud. That's all your customers' text messages and all the data that I had showed you on this end over here, as well as all the pictures and the sessions and all that. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me, comment below, like this video. If you haven't done so, please, please, please subscribe to our channel. We really would love to meet you and um, love to know where you are in the world. So they do offer, this is a big one. Do they offer free trials? Yes, absolutely. 100% they do, which is nice. So you could actually like demo it out just to see if it's something that you like. You can use this program with this particular one is for Windows, but just know that if you are running iPads and DSLRs, you're going to be downloading Luma Booth, okay, which is LumaBooth, has the exact same features. The only difference is on the iPad, you can airdrop, which is cool. So it's the exact same features that we just talked about. It's just airdrop. So please feel free to go down on the link and sign up for that subscription, the $199 for the entire year. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys, for so much for taking your time to review this video.